Hey there everyone, this is Brian with MeasureSquare here today, and in this tutorial we're going to cover how to use the location settings inside of the MeasureSquare CRM. This will allow you to define various warehouse and office locations that you may have, and it'll allow you to autofill those into your order forms. For instance, on a purchase order you may designate one of your predefined warehouses as the shipping location with the push of a button. So to get started, we're going to actually navigate to the settings in the top right corner, and then we'll go down to locations. And here you can see that we already have one predefined warehouse with the address included. To create a new location, just click on the blue button in the top right, and you can fill in the name, the address, and click Save. Once you're done with that, you can edit these by clicking on the edit symbol, which is a square with a pencil, and that will bring back that menu where you can click on the address. I will cancel out, and to delete it, simply click on the trash can to the right. That covers everything for this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful, and thank you again.